simple events. So hang on. So your team, your soccer teams win 3/4 of the time. Guess 3/4. Well, 3/4 is the same thing as 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75. And if you multiply that by 100, you get 75%. So 75%, it's not bad, right? So remember, if you make a line here, this is 0, this is 50, this is 100%. Where is 75? 75 is here. So that would be likely. Yeah? Next one, there is 0% chance. So where is 0%? 0% is here. So 0% is impossible. The probability that the sun rises tomorrow is 1. The probability that the sun rises is 1. So if you have 1, you multiply that by 100, you get 100%. And 100% is certain. It rains 1/5 on 1/5 of the days in July, right? So we're going to change that, right? So if you want to change it to percentage, you can change 1/5. You can divide 1 divided by 5. You're going to get 0.2 in your calculator. Multiply that by 100, you can get 20%. So 20%, where is 20%? 20% is here, right? 20% is unlikely. There's a 5% chance of winning a contest. 5% chance. 5% chance. Oh my God. 5% is right here. Right? It's 5%. So 5% is unlikely. Right? Very small chance. Write each probability as a fraction in simplest form. Okay. The probability of 1. So you have a die, a number cube. Think about this, right? Standard die. Here's your die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and where's the 6? 5, 6, right? So there's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the probability of getting a 1? Well, the probability, how many 1s do we have? There's only one 1. So the probability of getting a 1 is 1, and the total is 6, right? Because there's 6 numbers. What's the probability of getting a 2? Well, on the die, their number 2 only shows up once, so it's 1 out of 6. What's the probability of getting 1 or 2? 1 or 2, so it's 1 or 2. So there's 2 chances out of 6. So if you simplify, right, in your calculator, you press simp, this becomes 1/3. Not 4. Not 4 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so not 4. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So there's 5 numbers out of 6. Even number, right? What's an even number? Even number will be 2, 4, 6. Odd numbers will be 1, 3, 5. Prime numbers, your prime numbers are the number 2, number 3, and number 5. And your composite is number 4 and 6. Okay. So probability of getting an even number. Well, even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So 3/6, or simplified 1/2. Prime number. How many prime numbers are here? Well, 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. There's 3 prime numbers over 6. So again, 1/2. Composite. Who is your composite? Composite is your 4 and 6. So there's 2 out of 6, or simplified 1/3. What's the probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Well, you have a 6 out of 6, right? Which is 100%. Probability not a 7. Not at 7 is going to be a not. There is no 7s here. So not 7 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 6 over 6. Okay. One second. This is known as a certain event. A certain event. It's guaranteed to happen. Right? 100% is a certain event. What's the probability of getting a 7 on a roll number cube? 0%. There is no 7. So what's the probability? Not a 1. No 1s, no 2s, no 3s, no 4s, no 5s, nor 6. Again, 0%. So this is impossible. Okay. Number 1, how many possible outcomes? Okay, so if you have, think about it, you have one green, and then let's see if I can draw this. One green, two blues, one yellow, three purple, and three red. So imagine you had this. How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 in total. Let's start with number 1. How many possible outcomes are there? Well, there's 10 possible. 10 outcomes. There's 10 outcomes. How many marbles are in the sample space? One second, please. How many marbles are in the sample space? 10. What's the probability of getting a blue? Okay, the probability of getting a blue. So how many blues do we have? 1, 2. 2 blues. How many total? 10 total. If you simplify, this becomes 1 over 5. Not red. No red. So no red is green, blue, yellow, and purple. No red. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 10. Green. What's the probability of getting a green? 1 over 10. Not blue. No blue. So it's green, yellow, purple, and red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 10. Or 4 out of 5. Simplify. Purple. What's the probability of getting a purple? Well, there's 3 purples here. So 3 out of 10. Blue or red? Blue or red. So 1, 2. 2 blues, 3 reds. That's 5 in total over 10. Yellow. Probability of yellow. 1 over 10. Probability of orange. Is there any orange here? No orange, so it's 0. Right, so actually we can write 0 out of 10, which is the same thing as 0. Not pink. No pinks. So no pink is green, blue, yellow, purple, and red. So it's 10 out of 10. Okay, which is the same thing as 1. Okay. Again, let's see. Describe the likelihood of an event as impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain. Randomly picking a green card from a standard deck of playing cards. So, if you know what a standard deck of cards looks like, deck of cards. What is this? So let me get a deck of cards for you guys. Deck of cards. And I'm pretty sure you're very familiar. Let me take that. Copy. If you look here, this is a deck of cards. Right? This is black. These are clubs. These are spades, right? Black and black. And then we have diamonds, which are reds. And we have hearts, which is red. Do you have any green? There is no green here. No green. So it says here the probability of picking a green from a deck of cards, it'd be 0%. Impossible. So picking a number less than 15 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. So let's say you had these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? And you want to pick a number less than 15. Well, if you pick 1, is it less than 15? Yes. If you pick 12, is it less than 15? Yes. If you pick any number, are they all less than 15? Yes, it is. So, what's the probability? Well, it would be 12 out of 12, or 1, and then if you multiply that by 100, you get 100%. Okay. Now the bottom one, picking an even number from a jar with paper labeled from 1 to 10. You want the even numbers. Well, even, 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 and even. So how many even numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the total? It's 12, or it's a half. Where are we? Okay. So again, we have 3 blue marbles, 6 red, okay, 2 green, 1 black. Find the probability of getting a blue marble. So we're going to leave it as a fraction, okay? So blue would be 3 over how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 out of 12. Or if you simplify, 1 out of 4. A black marble, what's the probability of getting a black marble? It would be 1 out of 12. A green marble would be 2, right? 2 greens over 12, or 1 out of 6. A red marble would be 6 out of 12, or half, 1 over 2. Not green, no green. So no green would be 3 blue, 6 red, 1 black, and that's going to give us 10 out of 12, or 5 out of 6. Probably a blue or red. So blue or red would be 3 blues and 6 red, so that's 9 out of 12, or 3/4. A green, a red, or a black. A green, a red, or a black. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 12. Or 3/4. Not red. No red. So no red is blue, green, and black. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 over 2. A yellow. Well, is there a yellow here? No. So that's 0 out of 12, or 0. Well, 0 out of 12. And this is an impossible event because there is no yellow. Not an orange. No orange. No orange is the blue, the red, the green, and the black all together. So that would be 3, 6, 9, 12 out of 12, which is a certain event. That is 100% guaranteed to happen. For this one, let's see if I can. Let's see if I can. Okay. Sorry, guys. Maybe I can do this. Okay, so here's a deck of cards, right? And then I'm going to bring the questions over here. So I know some of you may have never played with a deck of cards. So with a deck of cards, what you need to know is that there is, first of all, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. So there's 13 here, 13 cards, 13 here, 13 here, and there's 13 here. So the total altogether is 52. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 15. So there's 52 in total. So imagine for a second, without looking, you want to take the 5 of hearts. How many 5 of hearts? Right? 5 of hearts is this guy. There's only one. One chance out of 52. Black cards. You want to take a black card. How many black cards do you have? You have 13 over here. You have 13 over here. And 13 plus 13 is 26. Over 52, or if you simplify, a half. A jack. What's the probability you can get a jack? Well, how many jacks there is? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 jacks out of 52, or 1 out of 13. A diamond or a club. What's the probability you can pick a diamond or a club? So here are all my diamonds. All my diamonds. All my clubs. How many cards are those? Right? That would be 26 out of 52, or a half. A queen or a king. So if you pick a queen or a king, you win. Queen, 1, 2, 3, 4. King, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 8 out of 52. So that would be, let's see, divided by 4 is 2, 13. Queen of diamonds. If you select the queen of diamonds, you win. So how many queens of diamonds? There's only 1 out of 52 total. No black cards. No black cards is no this, no this. So it's be all the hearts and the diamonds. So that would be 26 or 52 or 1/3. Next one would be an 8, a 9, or a 10. So 8, 8, 9s, and then 10. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 12 out of 52. Divided by 4, you get 3 or 13. No hearts. Not a heart. So if you think about not hearts, it would be this, right? No, not these. It would be 13, 13, and 13. So it's 39 out of 52. Okay, so it'd be 3 over 4. A red or a black. So if you pick a red or a black, you win. How many red cards and black cards here? There's 52 over 52, or just 1. So 1 with the same thing, if you multiply that by 100, 1 means 100%. Okay, that was your small assignment for tonight. Let me just double check. Yep, I think that's it. No, there's more, sorry. There's one part here at the bottom. So we're going to use the word impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, or equally likely. That's a little bit different, but it means the same thing. Likely or certain. There's a 0% chance of picking a 13 in a deck of cards. So 0% chance is impossible. 50% chance. Well, 50% chance is as likely as not. 80% chance. I mean, think about it, right? This is 0, this is 100, this is 50, right? This is impossible. This is certain. This is as likely as not. This is, what is this in the middle? Unlikely. And this is likely. So 80%, where's 80? 80% is here. So that would be likely. And 20% chance, where's 20%? Well, 20% is about here. Right? So 20% would be unlikely. Okay? Now that's it.